Hello guys, so let's start with my introduction. My name is Shubhanjipa. I'm currently working as a software engineer at Happy, and previously I freelanced at Umigo Incorporation, that is a US based startup, and Elysian Field Group Holdings, that is a UK based startup. Recently I interviewed with Amazon, Razorpay, Navi Technology and various other startups and product based companies. I am a passionate software engineer and like to teach coding and development stuff. So, uh, about this channel, this YouTube channel is sponsored by Newton School. So let's have an introduction about Newton School. So you can see here is the website of Newton School. Newton School is an Edtech startup. So it offers free upfront courses and trainings to get placed in various product-based companies and startups. So they have a model of income share agreement where you don't have to pay until you get hired. And yeah, so students who take courses from the Newton schools have like placed in these companies. You can check out the website, and you are going to get live classes, industry projects, mock interviews, personal mentoring from like people who are currently working in the industry. Yeah, so you can expect these kind of courses. You can see we have like top-notch mentors from Google, Microsoft, Goldman Sachs. Yeah, so you can check out their website and courses. If you think you can do it, you can like enroll in those courses and you can get hired by software companies and startups. Okay, so today we will start with unordered set. So unordered set, set, if you have like done in the maths, like set stores only unique values, okay, and unordered here means like there are two types of sets in C++. One is unordered and other is normal set, that is set. So unordered is implemented under the hood by hashing. So its best, its average time complexity will be of 1. Okay, in case of the most of the input types. Okay, in the string it can be different because string is of n length, but in the most of the data structure types, primitive data structure type, it will be of 1 in the average case. Okay, and yeah, and also it is not going to take too much of time during access. That is why, because it is of 1. Yeah, so inserting is of 1 in average case, and accessing is also of 1 because yeah, same, the hash function is used. Yeah, so that's why we use when we have to get the access the values in of1 or in instant time, that then we use unordered set. Okay, so in next video we will discuss about set, but in the current video I am using unordered set. Okay, so that about this. So let's take an example and see how to use it. Yeah, so it is used to store some values. So let's first take some values and store them. For example, unordered set. Okay, so yeah, for example, we have 6 values. Okay, now we have to store 5, 5, 6, 6 and 4. Okay, 3 to 5 and also 3. Okay, so we have now 5 values, sorry, 6 values. Now we have to store. So for this test case, the answer should be the values that are going to be stored in our unordered set is going to be 5, 6, 4 and 3. Rest will be discarded. It will store this 5, and then in the next iteration it will see this is already there, so it will not store, and also it will store this, and it sees there is already 6 there, it will not store, and rest this 2 will be inserted. So we will going to get this. Also, if we are going to print this unordered set, so there is like the order will be not going to be the same that is it is inserted. It can be any order, so that's why it is named as unordered set. Okay, so let's see in action and then we will discuss further. So as the usual drill, bits C std C++ dot h, and then main, and then we have to take the input. So unordered set, and then we will name as s currently. Okay, and then for loop. Before that for loop we should get the n, and then in the for loop so here it will be a random value x in x, and then yeah, so now we can take our set, and then we can insert our x in this, and then once it is inserted we can see, first we are going to see what is the size. Okay, so let's see what's the size of the set. Okay, okay, so let's run and see the size. Yeah, it's 4, and what we are expecting is 1 2 3 4. ओके, सो अब हम लोग क्या करते हैं, इसके ऊपर इटरेट करते हैं. ठीक है, सो अब ध्यान से देखो, इसमें इटरेट करने के दो तरीके हैं. या तो हम साइज का एक वेरिएबल बना लें m, और फॉर i इन m, यानी कि m के ऊपर हम लोग लूप कर लेंगे, या डायरेक्टली हम लोग इसमें कैसे कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, ए ऑटो एलिमेंट ELE या कुछ भी नाम दे सकते हो आप इन, ये है फॉर ईच लूप. ठीक है, सो ऑटो का मतलब ये है कि एलिमेंट का जो टाइप होगा वो ऑटोमेटिकली ये डिटेक्ट करके उसको डिफाइन कर देगा. हमको यहाँ पे जरूरत नहीं है लिखने की इंट. ठीक है, सो हम लोग यहाँ पे ऑटो लिख देते हैं, और ये एस के ऊपर इटरेट करेगा, सारा एलिमेंट एक एक करके यहाँ निकालेगा इसके अंदर और हमको दे देगा. ठीक है, तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, उसको प्रिंट कर देंगे एलिमेंट. ठीक है, और ठीक है, इस तरीके से प्रिंट कर देंगे. तो अब हम देखते हैं कि 3 4 5 और 6. ठीक है, सो इसका ऑर्डर कुछ भी हो सकता है. ठीक है, कोई जरूरी नहीं हो कि इस ऑर्डर में हो 5 6 4 एज आई टोल्ड यू, दैट इज मेन डिफरेंस बिटवीन अनऑर्डर्ड सेट एंड सेट. ठीक है, या सो इस तरीके से हम लोग अनऑर्ड सेट को यूज़ करते हैं, ठीक है, ताकि यूनिक वैल्यूज हम लोग स्टोर कर सकें, ठीक है। या सो ये इंसर्ट फंक्शन हमारा देख लिया आपने, इंसर्ट करने का साइज इस तरीके से, और इस तरीके से हम फॉल्स कर सकते हैं। एक क्लियर होता है, क्लियर करने के लिए एस डॉट क्लियर वो सब में होता है, ठीक है। STL के अंदर एक कॉमन है क्लियर। तो अब हम एक क्वेश्चन करते हैं और फटाफट इसको समझते हैं कि आपको ये तो समझ में आ गया ना कि इसका O1 है, एक्सेस टाइम, यूनिक वैल्यू स्टोर करता है, ये सब। अब इसको हम जो ये हमने सीखा है इसको इम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं क्वेश्चन के थ्रू, ठीक है।